So you did everything right. You put in the hours, you studied all the material, and you felt ready to take that next huge step in your career. But the result wasn't what you hoped for. And that's a really tough moment, but I promise you, it's one you can absolutely move past. Let's talk about exactly how to do that.
Yeah, seeing those two words, not passed, it's a total gut punch. I mean, especially after all the effort you've put into preparing for a major licensing exam, whether it's for the state or the NASCLA, it just feels like a roadblock, right? And you know what? It is absolutely okay to feel that disappointment. It's a major blow, and anyone in your shoes would feel the exact same way.
But here's what I really want you to hear. This is a setback, not a defeat. Your journey to becoming a licensed contractor is not over. Think of this as a detour, one that can actually make you stronger and way more prepared for what's coming next.
All right, so where do you start? How do you pick yourself up? You start by taking that feeling of disappointment and turning it into a real, actionable strategy. And the key to all of this is a little document you get from the testing center, your score report.
Your score report. Honestly, that piece of paper is the most powerful tool you have in your arsenal right now. I want you to stop thinking of it as a final grade and start seeing it for what it truly is, a roadmap. It literally shows you exactly where things went sideways. Was it project management? Maybe the financial section? This report is your guide. It's your blueprint for success next time.
The process here is actually pretty straightforward. Step 1, just get that score report in your hands. Step 2, really analyze it. Don't just glance at the final number, dig into the sections where you lost the most points. And third, use that information to create a super targeted plan of attack. You're not studying blind anymore, you're performing surgical strikes on your weak spots. Okay, so with this new information, your whole approach has to change. You've heard the saying, right? Doing the same thing over and over again and expecting a different result? Well, it just doesn't work. This next attempt isn't about studying harder, it's all about studying smarter. Think about it. Studying harder, that's just putting in more unfocused hours, repeating the same habits that didn't get you there the first time. But studying smarter, that means using a data-driven plan that's laser-focused on the exact weak areas your score report pointed out. It is a completely new strategy.
So, what does this new, smarter plan actually look like? Well, first, you're going to use that score report to pinpoint your specific weaknesses. Then, you focus your study time right there on those key areas. You'll also want to practice timed exams to get comfortable with the pressure of the real thing. And maybe most importantly, you have to be honest with yourself. If your old study methods didn't work, it's time to change things up.
You've got the data, you have the strategy. Now, it's all about the mindset. This is not about recovering from a failure. This is about building your powerful comeback.
And please, never lose sight of the goal. That dream of running your own business, of being a licensed, respected professional, it is still completely 100% within your reach. This little hurdle has not changed that one bit. In fact, overcoming it is just going to make achieving that dream feel even sweeter.
You have a really powerful opportunity right here. You can take this experience, learn everything you can from it, and use it as fuel. It's time to turn your setback into a comeback. You've already faced this exam once. Now you get to face it again, but this time you are armed with a much, much better strategy. This is your story to write. It's your project to build. You have the tools, you have the blueprint right there in your score report. So the only question left is, are you ready to build your comeback?